Hi guys, I'm super excited to do the reveal of another Oracle deck. This one is called Queen of the Sun Oracle, and it is by Stacey Demarco. So let's open it up, and this is what the back looks like, just so you guys get to see the artwork. It's always such a treat. All right, and here we go, and we'll open it up. I'm super excited. Let's see. Okay. And there we go. It's got all these sparkles on it. It's so pretty. Look at that. And then inside, it's like the little sunshine sparkles. And then we got sparkles throughout the deck. I'm in love. I love sparkles. And there is the book. Let's see the book. And then we have the Oracle deck. And we have a message inside. So let's see. Draw down the power of the sun. There you go. There. Perfect. And let's look inside the book. So let's see. Oh, it's color. Oh my goodness. What a treat when these books are in color. So here you go. It's got the spreads in there. And then, oh my goodness, look at that. And then it explains what that card means. Oh, the solar cycle. Oh, this is stunning. So here's your card one. And then, yes, it has all the information here. This is beautiful. And then you got your card two. So let's go check out the cards. Here we go. Oh, look at that. That just slid off perfectly. All right, here we go. Card number one, Solar Cycle 1 Purpose. Oh, they're a little bit sticky. They're a little bit sticky. Oh, and I forgot to mention, look, it's gold and the back is stunning. This is beautiful. So here you go. So that is Solar Cycle 1 Purpose. Solar Cycle 2 Action. These are beautiful. Solar Cycle 3 Resilience. That's an intense card. Yes. Solar Cycle 4 Focus. Solar Cycle 5 Desire. A little bit sticky because they're brand new, but they are stunning. Look at the artwork. Oh, wow. Solar Maximum Accomplishment. I think this was the first picture I showed you in the book. Look at that. That is stunning. Solar Cycle 7 Will. These cards, the artwork is just breathtaking. There we go. Solar Cycle 8 Contentment. Solar Cycle 9 Ideas. Solar Cycle 10 Reformation. Reformation. Here you go. Solar Minimum Rest. Oh, beautiful. Let me show you that closer up. That is gorgeous. Queen of the Sun Power. Aurora Beginnings. Sol Invictus Life. Amateuress Recovery. Apologies if I said that wrong. This is stunning. BAV, Mental Health. Look at that. Hathrow, Joy. Flora, Fertility. This is gorgeous. They are gorgeous. Bridget, Creation. These are gorgeous. Skemmet, Protection. I think I said that right. Not sure. Yeah, truth. Pivotar, weaving. So, welcome. Beautiful. Solace, synergy. Oh, this is stunning. They're all stunning. They're all absolutely gorgeous. Sarai Dev, illumination. I'm not sure if I'm saying the names correctly, so apologies there. I'm trying. There we go. Apollo, insight. Helios, cycles. Ain, wealth. Or is it Anne? I think it's Anne, wealth. Not sure. Oops, I feel like they're stuck. Oh, no, it's not stuck. It's one card. Wealth. Let me check. Oh, it was two cards. Okay, there you go. Wealth. And here, Balder, beauty. That's intense, that eye. Beautiful. And here, Ra, order. Letha, vitality. Lamas, gratitude. Maboon, preparation. Oh, gorgeous. I'm going to say these grapes, they come to life. They look so delicious. Uh, that is Sam Samhain. Possibility. Again, apologies if I said this wrong. Yule, hope. Oh, beautiful. Let's see. They're just a little bit sticky because they're brand new. There you go. Uh, in bulk, renewal. Oh, I love that. I love her hair. Let me make sure it's just one card. Yep, just one card. There you go. Uh, Ost Ostara Grace. Oh my goodness. Reminds me of the Empress card in tarot. It's so beautiful. It's just so stunning. Uh, Belton, passion. Eclipse, boundaries. See? Flares, the unexpected. Rainbow, reflection. Photosynthesis, reciprocity. I could never say this word. There you go. Beautiful, stunning, absolutely stunning. Your year progression. The sun, the center. And that is our last card. Again, for those of you, if you fell in love with the review, they're absolutely gorgeous. I'm super excited. I got my own deck. Here is the name. It is a Queen of the Sun Oracle. I got mine on Amazon. See if it's in a bookstore near you. But I hope you guys like that. Let me know in the comments. Do you have this Oracle deck? Are you thinking of purchasing an Oracle deck? Are you going to get it now that you've seen it? Like, it's gorgeous. I'm in love with Oracle cards. What can I say? All right, like and follow for more so you see all the new cards coming up. Take care, everybody.